How to delete wallpapers on iPhone. To delete wallpapers on your iPhone, you first need to go ahead and drag down the notification bar from the upper left corner of your screen. Then, long press on an empty space to change between the wallpapers. After that, slide to choose a wallpaper to delete. Now, swipe up to enable the delete option. You will see a trash icon at the bottom of the wallpaper. Tap on it. Once you do that, the wallpaper will be removed from both the lock screen and home screen. Continue with your command by tapping on the Delete this wallpaper button. You have successfully removed a wallpaper from your iPhone. Now, if you want to remove another wallpaper from your iPhone, you need to repeat the same procedure. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete wallpapers on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.